When we're actually doing the actual design work of the component for the gearbox, some aspects of it make you think about if this gearbox fails in service, how will it affect people? Will it affect their commute to work, stopping the cars, crossing the bridge, or providing clean drinking water? The considerations for longevity of the gearbox, the performance of the gearbox, the suitability of the gearbox is critical.
For over 100 years, Renold Gears have been solving the kind of engineering problems that are more complex, difficult, unique in their nature. Within this factory, we design and manufacture bespoke, custom gears and gearboxes that are designed to fit precisely the application that the customer has and overall the problem that they're looking to solve. And the reason that our customers are able to enjoy such longevity in our products is because of the people that work right here.
The design engineering team here, there's a lot of knowledge. For example, Alan, his designs have lasted for decades. Design knowledge that's come from the past used to be done by prototyping. Now we're able to use our software, like our fluid flow software and our 3D scanner, to streamline our design process.
I think with new people coming into the department, it's good to pass on the legacy that built up within Renold. The technology may move on, but the fundamentals are still there.
In the modern world, it's sort of seen as old hat, as building something to last, whereas for us it's normal. We use the technology to then move our designs forward, make them more accurate and quicker. We keep our design philosophy the same, where we design it once and we design it right.
I mean, I still get a buzz out of something going out of the door. When I see a project that I've designed, done all the drawings, done the materials, and actually see it, it gives me pride in what I've done.
If you've got a problem or a unique specification where a standard off-the-shelf product doesn't fit, here at Renold Gears, we're proud to design adapted, customized solutions that solve your specific problem. And if you have a project like that, we'd love to hear from you.
I expect it to last, not because it has to, because people are relying on it.